Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOC Town Express. And today I wanted to do an update of my stamping staycation, my travel bag that I use every time to store all of my stamps, my pencils, and my accessories that I'm going to be using in my planner as I do my winter workshops. So, I have one previously, but I know a few things have been updated, and also for me, it's a good way to know like which stamps do I have already, to use, so I'm not buying more. As we know, we can double buy a lot. So this is just a luggage bag that I just repurposed into a stamping bag or stamps. Okay. And also for my bullet journal, I have my ruler here. As you can see, I have this mini little block that I picked up from, I think it was Amazon Smile. I have the link down below in case you want to pick up one for yourself. And the all famous Studio L2E. This is the Planet series, which is the days of the week and a little asterisk. This works really well for, those small mini planners. So in case you don't want to write out all of your days, then I recommend just stamp it in. It works really well, especially for a week or a month in advance. You're not, just writing every single day, unless you just want to. Okay, and taking, ooh, just did my nails, sorry. Okay, and going into the larger compartment now. Pencil sharpener. This was actually free from Staples. It just showed up in one of my boxes. The project life cards that I'm going to be doing the 12 takeaways from. So each set I separated, a few from each uh, design, and then I'm going to be using them not only to share with you some tips and tools, but a technique that I worked through in order to get my projects finally done for 2018. This one's going to be a one and done. No more projects hanging over till 2019. All right. Let me push this over to the side. Okay. And I have Studio L2E study plans. Studio L2E, it says this is school plans. Studio L2E, the brush dates. Studio L2E, the listed. I shouldn't want for any stamps, right? Studio L2E, creative plans. And laminating pouches, these are the 5x7. So, and mind you, even though I can create, the pocket folders with these, a lot of times because they've already done the measurement for the size of the planner, more than likely I'll probably pick one up from Chic Sparrow later this season. So I'd rather use this on special projects that I can't pick up, from a small business owner, or I'm pressed for time and just need to go ahead and get it done in my own shop. And the watercolor pencils, the 12 set, I'm going to be watercoloring in my field note size. I remember the name of the set is called Sweet Tooth. So I'm going to be testing and, using some of the YouTube artists as, tutorials for how to start using my watercolors in my notebooks. I've already used these on my day designer planner, and of course to highlight. My theory is that I don't want to order a lot of stickers. So this is one of my answers, but all of these are answers to not having any additional weight or another level attached to the page, so then it tends to bulk up the planner. So if you're new to the planner community, that's one thing to be aware of. So I picked up these twistable colored pencils that come 30 into this pack, and they worked out, really great. So I'm going to continue using that for 2018. And here's a smaller size of those thermal laminating pouches. This one's 4x6. And the brushes I picked up locally. I don't remember which chain store that I got them from, but I definitely picked them up locally. And the other thing that I'm going to be doing is logging on to their website to see how to use these brushes, because I'm new to painting and the artist realm. So pretty much I want to not only just start knowing how to use my equipment properly, but I'm okay with messing up, but definitely want to know, like, this is an oval wash or a flat wash, or a round or filbert. I have no idea what all that means, but I'm willing to learn and willing to try. So they have free videos already on their package, so I'll let you know how that turns out. Okay. And also have Hero Arts stamps. See, that's Hero Arts. And they come in black, charcoal, and soft granite, and the white one is a unicorn is what they call it. So going to be doing some workshops where I'm going to be not only planning in my planners, but also doing some mini teaching series for executive assistants. So in case you want to learn some tips and tools that I've learned over the years, then go ahead and like and definitely subscribe to the channel, so then I know that yes, there is a demand for that kind of planning tutorial and video. All right, wrapping it up. I know these are sweet stamp shops, and this is Plan to Eat. This one is the weather, time, which I'm really gonna like using this because then I don't have to buy another planner and I can customize my pages. And last but not least, this is the Plan to Work. All right, I think that empties out my bag. And if you have any questions, let me know, always in the comment section down below. I look forward to producing more videos for you from the Planner's Planet, and also highlighting some things that we're going to be going on in the studio. So I'm Nicole, your mobile blog is for TOC Town Express, signing off for today. Take care.